What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. For today, we're going to be doing a video on the brand new Hydrosilex off-road ceramic coating. I'm going to be showing you guys just how it works. Of course, I'm going to be washing my truck first because it is super dirty, but we're going to show you how it works. And then towards the end of the video, we're going to be doing a giveaway on the bottle, and we're going to be giving away also some microfiber towels. So it's going to be a package deal. So if you guys do want to try this out for yourself, it's going to be super easy way to win. So make sure to stay tuned till the end of the video. Let's go ahead and now get it started and show you guys. So before we get today's video started, I want to show you guys something. So this product, which is Hydrosilex, they actually make a lot of different products. They don't only make ceramic coating. So as you can tell right here, there's a bunch of different ones. You got interior cleaner, glass cleaner, wheel cleaner, multi-purpose cleaner, and also waterless ceramic wash if you want to try that out. You have your actual ceramic wash, you got some tire dressing, and you also got the soap. For today's video, we're also going to be trying out the soap. But just in case you guys want to try it out, I've already made a video on all these products, so make sure to check that one out. It'll be in the description box below. So let's go ahead and now get the video started. And like I said, make sure to stay tuned because we're going to be giving away one of the off-road ceramic products that they just came out with and some microfiber towels to go with it. So stay tuned for that. Of course, the product we're going to be using is going to be this one right here for today's video, the off-road ceramic coating. I've already put my soap inside, which is this one here, their silica soap. So I'm excited to try this out. The truck is crazy dirty. It is all scratched up and everything like that. So the reason I'm excited to do this, because if you guys are like me and do go off-road a lot, you guys do need something that's going to protect your paint. As far as for me, like I said, it's all scratched up. So I'm hoping that this is actually going to work so that way I can protect it a little bit more when I go off-road. So let's get to the washing and then we'll go to the testing. Really quick, I wanted to show you guys. So I know the truck was super dirty. I have applied this ceramic coating a while ago, and as you can tell, it's still actually beading off. So I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but this is like a previous coat that I had put and it's still on there. So that's actually pretty nice to see. Alright, so now that I finished up the wash, this soap is actually pretty good. It shines up the truck, but that's not enough for me because like I said, I do go off-road a lot. As you can tell with the pinstripes, don't make fun of me. But I do want to protect the paint just a little bit more. I have already tested it out, so I know the outcome of this, but I want to show you guys on camera now. So let's go ahead and jump over here to the front where the hood is and just show you guys. Alright, so in my hand right here, what I have is the Hydrosilex microfiber towels that were provided, which a lucky winner is going to win this and of course the bottle. So make sure to stay tuned. Also, what I have right here is the Hydrosilex Rewind. So I know this isn't going to come provided. You could purchase it at an extra cost. I'm just doing this just for an extra step because whenever you are trying to detail your truck or putting some ceramic coating onto it, what you want to do first is actually clay bar the whole truck or car, whatever you are working on. You want to use a clay bar and detailing spray to kind of just wipe it down of any debris that are actually stuck inside the paint. Unfortunately, I don't have a clay bar with me right now, but I've already done it in the past, so my paint should still be somewhat good. So for the next step, what I'm going to be using, since I don't have that with me right now, is of course this Hydrosilex Rewind. So what this does, it actually removes, same thing, kind of like a clay bar and a detailing spray mixed together in a way, I could say. Basically, it's going to just kind of strip away any old wax or any stuff that's stuck on the paint. So that's what this bad boy is going to do for me. So I'm substituting instead of having a clay bar. So I'm going to wipe it down really quick. Just going to give it a couple sprays. And it's that simple. I'm going to get my microfiber towel, and you don't really want to do this in the direct sunlight. I'm just doing it for demonstration purposes. and then you want to go ahead and of course wipe it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. I'm gonna finish up and then I'll get back to you guys and we'll try out the product. So now that I've used the recharge, which just kind of stripped away a little bit of any previous waxes or anything like that, now I'm gonna use the actual off-road ceramic coating that's brand new from Hydrosilex. Check it out, description box below. I'm gonna go ahead and give this probably like two or three coats just to see kind of what it does, and then we'll test it out with the water beading test. And then if you guys want to stay to the end and try it out yourself, of course I'm going to be giving a bottle away. So let's go ahead and spray it down now. So that's for my first coat. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and now try out the off-road ceramic coating from Hydrosilex. It's already done this side, so let's go ahead and do the bottle test, and then we'll do the water beading test after. So there you guys go, nice and shiny. It looks good in person. I don't know if the camera's gonna catch it, but it looks good. You can go ahead and play if you're bored by yourself, just like me. I'm just kidding, I'm not lonely, but still, you can do that if you want. So up next, let's go ahead and try out the water beading test, see if it actually works or not. I don't really feel like getting the hose out and washing the whole thing again, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try it out with the water bottle, see if it works. So let's go ahead and see if it beads off. So there you guys go. I don't know if you can see that. So normally without the ceramic coating, and if you just give it a regular wash and your car has like a lot of debris stuck onto the paint, usually it won't drip off like that. It will just kind of stay in place and give you like little puddles. And over time, I mean, if you don't wash your car a lot, that can also mess up the paint and just fade it out. So I'm pretty happy about this product. Like I said, I already tried it out. I knew it worked. I just wanted to show you guys on video, so that way you guys don't think I'm lying. So if you guys do want to purchase it, check it out in the description box below. Make sure to go check out their YouTube channel, because they also show you guys how-tos on exactly how to use each of their products. So if you want to see that, description box below. Let's go ahead and now just dive right into the giveaway. All right, so thanks to those of you guys that actually stayed until the end of the video. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the details on how you can win this product, and of course the microfiber towels packet. So it's going to be super simple, literally. So of course, the first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is make sure to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, which you go ahead and hit that red subscribe, and make sure to hit that like button. The next thing I want you guys to do is go ahead and go to Hydrosilex's YouTube channel, which will be in the description box below. Go ahead and also subscribe to them. I am going to check, and I do need you guys to screenshot this. So make sure you screenshot those 3 things. And then for a bonus, make sure to go ahead and follow my Instagram. It will also be in the description box below. That's going to be your bonus entry as well. Like I said, make sure to screenshot all that, because when I do choose the winner, I'm going to actually ask you guys for those screenshots. The last thing I'm going to need you guys to do, it's going to be easy. Literally, just go ahead and comment that you guys entered. So just put enter me. That's it. So super simple. So let me go ahead and repeat that one more time. Make sure to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and hit the like button. Go ahead and subscribe to Hydrosilex's YouTube channel. And for a bonus, go ahead and go check out my Instagram and follow it. Make sure to screenshot those things. And then once you do that, make sure to go ahead and comment that you entered. That simple. So I repeated it twice. Make sure you guys do this correctly. Good luck to the entries. And in 2 weeks, we'll go ahead and announce the winner. So if you guys liked today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Jesse Rizo is here for you. It's here for you now. Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.